G'day viewers, well just finished off fixing this veneer up. I've actually come up with this little redneck ingenious jig that fits into this MDF glue outlet, just an end of a pen. The grip just sits on there as a seal, and I use the end that the ballpoint part sits on, comes out of, as a nozzle to inject. And I get my little flat screwdriver and I hold the veneer up carefully, twist it on its side to leave room for that, and I'll just squeeze a bit of glue in, inject it bit by bit all the way, and I'll just press it down and wipe off all the excess. Something like that, nice flat piece of perspex and a heavy weight. I just use this, and this held it down overnight all the way along. I didn't put glue all at once, so just did bit by bit, then just worked along. I did the same with the other sides, and it's come up brilliant now. So that's pretty much, yeah, there's no big bulging crack on it now. So I go over that with turpentine when I finish, just to neaten it up. Yeah, so I fixed up these little side, these just big pieces of dowel that the back bolts onto, but you can see that it's never ever perfectly straight. There's a hole there, that's probably the only one that screws in the best, and the other one's just, the screws didn't really, supposed to go in here, but they've actually just nipped. Just, yeah, that one there just split open, so I had to glue that one. Now they've got me a new soldering iron, because I was using this soldering iron all the time, and it was getting bloody hot, and I had to hold it like this until I burned my hand. As you can see in here, it started going into meltdown on me. So I went on to RS Components and bought me a nice new one. This is 60 watts, so for things like this it's pretty good, because you go and do soldering onto the chassis to do the ground connections to your capacitors and other components, so this is perfect for that job. It's a Japanese company, Japanese standard, but made in China, but the quality of this thing is very good to Japanese standard. So it's got this some specially coated tip so it doesn't go bad and corrode or something like that. But yeah, I'm going to start replacing caps. Just, yeah, I got some new ones in stock here, so I'll start replacing these little molded ones you see here. They are probably still paper inside, and they'll be going, probably will be likely to go bad, so I'll be replacing them just to be safe. So yeah, let's get this thing out and start replacing some caps. 2, 3, 4, 5 to replace. So I'm going to replace this one, this one, this one, and this one for today. 3300 picofarad. I'm pretty sure that's 0.0033 microfarad. Pretty sure, but I'll be replacing this one here first, 0.01. We're keeping these original insulators. So yeah, the size difference between the modern and the old one, same reading, same value, but it's much smaller than the old one. There's nothing wrong with these, but they probably will be on their way to be going out, because yeah, these are actually still paper inside, so they can go bad with age. So I'm going to be replacing those while I'm waiting for this China smoke to burn off. This thing just started smoking like crazy. So yeah, it's all China's all burnt off it. Now I'm going to start replacing some of these caps. God, just to keep the longevity of this thing going. That one there is a 0.047. Don't know, that one there shouldn't go bad, but yeah, that should be fine, that one actually. So yeah, I have got to replace it for that one there though, but yeah, in the box. So let's get this replaced. Okay viewers, well, that soldering iron is bloody awesome. Makes the job so much better. This thing here pretty much burns the whole circuit and everything around it down before it starts to get a good solder connection. But this one, so much better. So yeah, all the caps are replaced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus a 2 I chucked in one of those containers somewhere ready to pop, so that's 8 caps altogether I replaced. So yeah, now let's see if this thing actually works. So let's put it back on its on a bench here. We'll get it set up and yeah, see if she works. Okay viewers, after checking into the chassis very carefully for shorts and all that is good, so let's turn it on. definitely less hum in there. Anyway, I put an antenna on, I can't get much reception. Okay, viewers, I'll find myself an antenna. We'll get this in good proper test. It's already sounding much better. There's actually less hum in the audio now. The antenna won't stay connected. Yeah, the hum has quietened down a lot, so they weren't really filtering much out at all, so it's good to be safe to change them anyway, even though they were working, but just to be on the safe side I changed them. So yeah. Try pick up. Yeah, it's a tiny bit better.
On stage somewhere out there, Gwyneth Paltrow and Huey Lewis cruising, and Al Stewart time. Passengers, it's 28 degrees, mix 1467, partly cloudy around the area for this afternoon, partly cloudy again tomorrow, southerly winds up to 15 degrees for Saturday and for Sunday, both sunny days.
There you go.
Mostly sunny days.
Next vid I'll try and
around that
work on
16-degree mark.
patching the hole on the other side of that speaker. I'll look for some paper to patch that with.
Lost
So
in the Cardross area, female short
this is part 2, so yeah.
Name of Duchess.
Thanks for watching.
And dissexed.